Stop chasing. Get them to chase you. Do this instead. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. Today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Hey, thank you for subscribing. Always remember to click the bell icon because we're here almost every day with a new video to empower your life. Want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. We've helped people in 60 different countries. We can help you too. So, high flyers, no more chasing, no more getting ghosted, and getting them to chase you instead. I mean, seriously, isn't that what you want? Aren't you tired of chasing someone? Aren't you tired of calling them, texting them, writing them, doing everything under the sun to get interaction in the relationship? And it's just not happening. And it seems the more you chase, the less they respond. By shifting your inner beliefs, by shifting your self-concept of who you are, your value as a human being, your value as a man or as a woman, by shifting your self-concept, you then change things. You shift the energy. By shifting your belief or shifting your self-concept, what happens is you begin to shift the flow of energy. Instead of the energy flowing away from you, it starts flowing toward you. So stay with me through this entire video because I'm going to share with you precisely what to change, what to do, and how to make the law of attraction work for you so that they are chasing you rather than you chasing them. Now, high flyers, the first energy dynamic. You've heard me say this before, but I'm going to say it precisely, slowly, so it really sinks in. We attract what we are, not what we want. Therefore, if this is true, and I believe it is, that we attract what we are, it's imperative, it's important that you become the highest version of yourself. Now, high flyers, it's absolutely critical that you adopt these 3 beliefs. I am the best. I am perfect. I am the one. You see, when you believe that you're the best, there's no need to chase because you know that it doesn't get any better than you. It's just a matter of time before he or she is chasing you. When you believe that you're perfect, in other words, I'm not saying that you can't improve upon yourself, but your essential core, your energy is perfect. Then how do you get any better? When you believe that you are the one, that you have been called to be the one in this person's life. It doesn't get any better than that. It doesn't get any stronger. And by believing that, it's not narcissistic or egotistic. What it is it's magnetic. The second energy dynamic is if you are chasing, it implies that someone else is running. And that's the opposite of what we want. That's the opposite of how the law of attraction works. The law of attraction states, I draw to me because of who I am. I don't chase after it. When you're chasing high flyers, the vibe that you are emanating, and we get back what we emanate. So whatever you emanate out of yourself, that's what comes back to you. The vibe you're emanating is neediness, is wanting, is lack, is wishing, is hoping. So you're always in this state. And that's what you start attracting more of. And that really isn't what you want to attract. You don't want to attract more wanting and needing and hoping. High flyers, these vibes are contrary to the law of attraction. The secret then is to get them to chase you instead of you chasing them by feeling whole, by feeling worthy, by feeling magnetic. And it comes back to those 3 core beliefs that change the dynamic. Know you are the best, know that you are perfect, and know that you are the one. You see, high flyers, when you stop chasing them and when you stop thinking about them incessantly, all day long, all of a sudden you create a vacuum and they don't feel your presence as much and they start missing you and they want to fill up that vacuum and they want to fill it up with your presence. When you stop chasing and invest in yourself, in who you are, in becoming the best version of yourself. I am the best. I am perfect. I am the one. Those 3 core beliefs. When you do that, your magnetism explodes. High flyers, the reason your magnetism explodes, it expands drastically, and you start drawing them to you, is because you're no longer focused on them, you're focused on you. When you stop chasing, the person that you are chasing will begin to think higher of you, will begin to respect you more, will begin to desire your presence in their life, and they will start chasing you. I believe, high flyers, that respect is absolutely essential for a long term committed relationship. And so it's essential right now that you begin to respect yourself and you allow them to respect you by not chasing them and by working every day, not on them, but on yourself. I am the best. I am perfect. I am the one. I also think that mirroring is a very, very good way of keeping yourself balanced. So, what do I mean by mirroring? Well, I mean that if they call you, you can call them or text them back, but you allow them to take the first action. That's important. And if they show openness to you, you can show openness to them. You give exactly what you receive. Next, high flyers, please do not always be available. Even if you are, do not always be available. Oh, I can't get together on Tuesday night, but maybe next Tuesday or maybe Wednesday of next week might work better. You're not readily available. Make them desire to be with you. And so, how do you do that? You fill your life up with activities, with things that you really enjoy, with things that empower your life, that make you feel better about yourself, that help raise you to your highest vibration. I have one client who she called me and she said, Robert, I have a specific person that I'd like to get back in my life. But instead of focusing on getting them back, I want to focus on raising my vibration. And so that's exactly what we did. We focused on raising her vibe, and he automatically came back into her life. I think it's important that you script your perfect outcome. Yes, get a pen, a paper, and every day script the kind of outcome that you desire as if you've already received it. This is based on the law of assumption, and it's very powerful. And you don't have to script a lot. When I script, it's maybe a paragraph, and then reread that in the evening. So script it in the morning, read it in the evening. Very, very simple. Script the life you desire, not the life you're getting. And then affirm every night, I am the best. I am perfect. I am the one. Lie down, fall asleep, and see in your mind as you fall asleep the life that you desire. See it clearly in your mind. Believe it in your soul and receive it in your life. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.